I'm often asked, how long do we have? How long do we have as Homo sapiens on the planet Earth? I'm sticking to my prediction that there will be no humans on Earth in 2026, that our species will go extinct. The last individual of Homo sapiens will die in 2025. I am frequently asked the question, how long do we have? And by that, most people mean, how long do I have? And so my standard response is, you have 3 minutes. I'm not known for my optimistic perspective. Indeed, I've referred to hope as a mistake and a lie at GuyMcPherson.com. However, I hope I'm wrong about everything with respect to abrupt climate change. Sometimes the peer-reviewed literature gets it wrong. On April 12, 2018, we released Edge of Extinction, How Long Do We Have in this space. In this video, I relied on the peer-reviewed paper titled The Future of Arctic Sea Ice by Professor Maslowski and colleagues. This paper was published in the March 8, 2012 issue of the Annual Review of Earth and Planetary Sciences. Annual reviews are typically among the most conservative of peer-reviewed journal articles. In this 2012 issue of the Annual Review of Earth and Planetary Sciences, Maslowski and colleagues used a linear projection, not a prediction, to conclude that Arctic sea ice would disappear in 2016 plus or minus 3 years. They were wrong, in large part because the linear projection they used was heavily influenced by the last datum to which they had access, from 2007, which reflected the lowest level of Arctic sea ice at the time. It dragged down the projection. Because they were wrong, I was wrong too. To say I'm gleefully wrong is a monumental understatement. Nearly 3 years after releasing this video quoting Maslowski and colleagues, we released another Edge of Extinction video, this one titled Edge of Extinction, Maybe I'm Wrong. This video was released on January 1st, 2021, and it pointed out that my conclusions are rooted in the peer-reviewed literature and the informed opinions of those who write such papers. We have all been very lucky that the projection in the Annual Review of Earth and Planetary Sciences proved incorrect. After all, the rapid transition from a high albedo, sunlight-reflecting white surface, such as this, to a low albedo, sun energy-absorbing surface, the color of my shirt, that transition indicates that an already overheated ocean will heat up even faster, thereby kicking planetary warming into an even further version of overdrive. Remember, the ultra-conservative Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change concluded in a report published on October 8, 2018, that Earth is experiencing the most rapid heating in its history as a result of anthropogenic activities. The report is titled Global Warming of 1.5 Degrees. The vaunted IPCC also concluded this heating is irreversible in its September 24, 2019 report, IPCC Special Report on the Ocean and Cryosphere in a Changing Climate. At this point, the primary issue is not whether we lose habitat for humans, but when. I have relied upon considerable evidence created by renowned scientists and presented at GuyMcPherson.com to conclude that our loss of habitat and subsequent extinction will occur within the next few years. The IPCC is quite conservative, according to the conservative peer-reviewed journal Bioscience, in its March 2019 issue with a paper titled Statistical Language Backs Conservatism in Climate Change Assessments. This paper was authored by Gerardo Perez and 3 other colleagues. I quote from the abstract. Quote, "We found that the tone of the IPCC's probabilistic language is remarkably conservative and emanates from the IPCC recommendations themselves, complexity of climate research, and exposure to politically motivated debates." End quote. Perhaps my approach of quoting peer-reviewed journal articles and the knowledgeable scientists underlying them will yet again prove incorrect. Maybe Harvard Professor Emeritus of Atmospheric Science James Anderson's January 15, 2018 prediction in Forbes of an ice-free Arctic in 2023 will prove wrong. If we're lucky, Professor Jennifer McKinnon from the Scripps Institution and also the University of California, San Diego, will be wrong about the same topic with a statement she made to CBS News on April 23, 2021. If Anderson and McKinnon are correct, then full environmental effects, including a rapid rate of environmental change that would lead to a loss of habitat for humans, would almost certainly occur during 2024. Here's wishing they're both wrong, and therefore I am also incorrect. Maybe we will mitigate just in time. Maybe we will adapt just in time. Maybe the mere reflection framework developed by Dr. Ye Tao at Harvard University's Roland Institute will be implemented just in time. Here's wishing as much for the sake of all life on Earth. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Click the bell when you subscribe so you'll be notified about future videos. Become a member of this channel for additional perks at as little as 99 cents per month. Mostly though, thanks for watching.